Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. The 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 650 sports heavily updated bodywork and an adjustable windscreen to better make that connection between it and its ZX stablemates. The bike has a much sportier ZX-10R inspired front fairing and revised ergonomics, plus updated engine, trellis-style frame, and new gull-arm swing arm. The total package loses a massive 42 pounds. With this bike, you can cruise along quite comfortably at 65 to 70 miles per hour / 5,500 revolutions per minute in 6th gear, or bully it around the canyons with ease. Either way, you'll relish the added power and smoother throttle response. A new assist and slipper style clutch is a nice extra and makes for easy upshifting and smoother corner entry. New Nissan calipers and 300mm wave rotors up front provide good stopping power and decent feel at the lever. The real treat though is the optional Bosch controlled ABS, which saved me a few times. You'll barely notice the system until you really need it. There is very little interruption in lever control or braking feel, just a nice smooth application of full braking power. Considering that the new 2017 Ninja 650 retails for $7,399, and the ABS model for $7,799, we feel like it's a worthwhile upgrade.